fort. I bet you can guess what your challenge is going to be today. You got it. I want you to build a fort. But remember last week when we learned about slots? You have to build your fort using slots. Now, if you forgot how to make a slot, don't worry. If you click below in box number 3, it'll send you to my video I made last week to remind you on how to make slots, okay? Now, hold on tight. I'm about to show you how I made my fort using slots. I can't wait to see what you make, girls.
All right, the first thing you're going to do is find you a good piece of cardboard, find the seam of that box, and undo that seam. This way we can open our cardboard to a nice big workspace. On one side of my cardboard, I'm going to draw one side of my fort. All right, now I'm going to take my scissors. Make sure you hold your scissors the right way. And I'm going to cut out my fort. Remember, I am turning my paper or my cardboard, not my scissors. And when you're cutting, you're putting your cardboard all the way to the back of the throat of your scissors. Turn the cardboard, not the scissors. All right, I'm going to clean my workspace. I'm going to use my the side of the cardboard I just cut as a stencil for my second half. So I'm going to put it on top of my other cardboard and I'm going to trace it. Trace all around the outside. Make sure you hold your stencil nice and steady so it doesn't slip. All right, now I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm going to cut out my second half. All right, clean up my workspace again. Okay, now here comes the tricky part. Make sure you pay attention. I turned my cardboard pieces the same direction. Now, on one, I'm going to draw a line from the bottom to the middle. On the second one, it goes from the top to the middle. So the bottom to the middle on one and the top to the middle on the one. You can hit pause on my video right now if you need to take a second to make sure your pieces of the fort look like mine and then that your lines are in the right spot. One on the bottom to the middle and one the top to the middle. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut my lines. Once I have both sides cut, I'm going to be able to piece them together like a puzzle using my slots that I just created. Once I slide them into place, I can stand up my fort. Ta-da! Now you have a fort. I am actually going to use another slot to decorate it. I'm going to add a flag to my fort. So I'm going to get another sheet of cardboard. I'm going to draw my flag. And I'm going to draw a square under my flag, and this is where I'm going to add my slot. So I'm going to cut out my flag. You can add a lot more decorations to your fort. I'm just doing it simple right now to show you, but I bet yours has a lot more stuff. Okay, I have my flag. Now I'm going to cut my slot in the middle of that box, but not all the way to the top. It'll cut it off. Got my slot there. Now I need to add a slot onto my fort. I'm going to put it in the middle right here in just one little snip. And now I'm going to be able to slide my flag right on there. There we go. Ta-da! Bye, Solar Girls.